LadBaby and Sons review.
And I love you.
I love you too.
You.
Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Phoenix.
And we're LadBaby and
Sons.
High five. We're here today to do some reviews of what?
Cars.
Cars. Cars are your favourites, aren't they?
Yeah.
We've got 3 different types of cars to review today.
Yeah.
We have small ones. We have a medium one, which is remote control. And this one, a giant Nerf Nitro.
Yes!
Looking forward to that one, are you?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Right, which ones shall we start with?
This
Go and show one to the boys and girls.
Oh, what does it do?
one. Stores. Like that.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Do you still need me or? Yeah, can I help?
Yeah.
Right. If I want to, brilliant. These boys and girls are Lightning McQueen Crazy 8 Crashers. These cost £1.
Yeah.
That's good value, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got them from that toysforapound.com.
Toysforapound.com.
Funny that.
I wonder how much they cost.
£10.
Shall we open them?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh. Come out! My freedom!
Wow, that was really fast.
Yeah.
Shall I do the yellow one?
You really want it? What? Really fast?
Wow! So I think they crash. Shall we make them crash?
Yeah.
They crash. That was a cool crash, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think you're doing them right. I think they're not meant to be on concrete. Put them on that Nitro box. I think they're meant to be a bit more on, like, inside, it says on there. Whoa!
Crash! Whoa, you won!
Yeah.
Yes! Wow.
Who is it?
It's my green.
I mean, it's all
I
right
think they're
for a
quite...
quiz.
Yeah, I do.
Right, so what do you think of these, Phoenix?
I think it's £10.
You think they're still only £1?
Yeah, just £1.
£1. Did you like playing with these?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do we give this a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down?
Maybe first one down.
A big thumbs up, yes! Right then, what do you want to open next? Whoa, the remote control car!
Yes!
A stunt car, double-sided roll.
Whoa, look at the wheels. It comes in blue as well. We picked green, didn't you?
Yeah, the green.
360 tumbling and spinning action.
Oh, wow!
This is for children aged 6 plus. How old are you?
Nothing.
Good. Let's not tell people, so then you can still play with it. High five. Right. This was on sale. Originally £25, now £12.50. That's great value, isn't it?
Yeah! Look at our big tires.
Wow.
Look at our green tires.
Look at those green tyres.
Wow.
Can you drive it to all the boys and girls? Go on then. Ready? Oh,
Oh,
you went the wrong way. Can you drive it that way?
okay.
Ready, steady, go. Oh! It went the wrong way again. Look at that.
Woo! That's cool. You want to go, Phoenix, or is Daddy just hogging it?
Oh, it was that way and then. What? I think that's good for £12.50.
Yeah.
Do you think boys and girls should buy that? Yeah, I do as well. Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs down means bad and thumbs up means good. Is it good or bad?
I think good.
Oh, okay, so thumbs up.
Yay! Now we have the final one. This is a Nitro Nerf MotorFury Rapid Rally.
Push it forward, let me see.
I mean, that's probably the best name of
What is
anything I've ever heard of.
Oh my god, it's a gun that fires cars.
Yes, it is.
Jesus.
Do you like the look of this?
Yeah.
This originally cost how much?
£10.
This originally cost £50.
£50.
£50, but we got it in a sale.
Daddy's fave.
Look for sales, boys and girls. Parents love sales, don't they? Yeah. This was 70% off, meaning we bought it for £15.
£50.
That's more like it, isn't it? High five. Shall we open it and see what it does?
Yeah.
Ready, steady.
Go.
Sorry, mate, I'm done. Right, we'll edit that out. Right, ready, steady,
Go.
go. Wow.
Read the instructions. Oh, here we go.
Wow, this is cool, isn't it? Yeah. There's a lot of instructions to this. Do you want to read those ones?
Yeah.
All right, you read them. It takes batteries.
What?
We need some batteries. Should Daddy go and get some batteries?
Yeah.
This toy review will reconvene after the battery break.
Give me 1 minute.
Whoa! Turn it round, let's have a look. Can you hold it? Wow. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's load all the cards in. Let's really commit. Right then. You ready to do this?
Are you going to fire it at me?
Oh.
What's that?
Can you hear it?
Very nice.
I mean, did you hear it?
Oh, wow.
Ready, steady, go.
Whoa! Let me get lower. Go. Wow! Woo! Woo! Well, let Phoenix have a fire of it.
Yeah, all right.
Sorry, this is for kids, Mark.
Right, we're going to fire them at all the boys and girls.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Do you want to try and catch it?
Right, are you going to try and catch it?
I wouldn't stand so near.
I'd probably stand a little bit further back. Are you ready to catch this?
Yeah.
Ready,
Ready?
steady,
Go. Whoa.
good catch. Steady.
Go.
Woo!
Here's everything we've reviewed today. The £1 cars, the £12.50 remote control car, and the was previously £50, now £15 Nitro Nerf Extreme Everything. That's the greatest toy ever toy. Which one's your favourite? I wonder.
This.
This one!
Yeah.
You like the remote control?
Yeah.
You like it over there?
No, this.
Which one is Daddy's favourite?
I think this.
High five! Woo! It did go through my legs. Bye to all the boys and girls.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this with your friends
Buzz about it.
and tell all your friends about it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well done, baby.
High five. Can Daddy really keep this? Brilliant. See you later.